Hi friends, today we are going to see data viewer in SSIS, how we can use data viewer in SSIS. Data viewer in SSIS is a debugging tool that allows developer to inspect data when it's flow between two components in data forecast. It's particularly useful during development phase to verify transformation and troubleshooting purpose. Here if you see, we are loading data from Excel source to OLEDB destination. In between we are using data conversion. We are taking data from the Excel source and then we are converting by using data conversion. But you want to see whether the data conversion properly happened or not. So for debugging purpose, you can enable your data viewer and you can see the result set of data viewer properties. For example, here we have defined data viewer. You see the execution has been paused here and then it's showing the data output of data conversion. This is the output of data conversion. And then, this is the run button and this is the touch and copy data. I will explain this in the demo. This is our SSIS web pages. You see, this is a SQL, a new SQL task. So we are just truncating this table data by using this SQL task. This is our for each loop container. This is a file enumerator. So this will pick files from this folder. So we are going to read each file and then we are going to see how we are using data viewer while reading. And within for each loop container, we have different data protocols. So every time the file has been picked by for each loop container, that will be stored via data protocols. So here we define the practices and then destination. So now you want to show what is flow in between source and destination. If you want to see, then just right click and then do enable data viewer. Now run the packages. If you see the first file, whatever data there you can see, and it's all the execution, SSIS package execution. So now if you run this, it will be run the next buffer. Okay, that means the next buffer, what it is, the first file loaded, the next file it will load and then again it call the execution. For example, let me run this. See, this is the second file data. Once pick this data, it's call the execution before loading into destination. And if you click again, this is the third file data. So now if you close this, so all the three files were data got loaded. Okay, let's show you in the table. This is the table data, 23 data loaded. Okay, now let me show you another thing. Now in between this flat file source and then destination, I'm just deriving one column. Okay, I'm using derived column. Here if you see the data loaded for modified date with time, right? So the time is in 0 hour minute second format. I don't want hour minute second. Okay, I just want only date please. So just double click this, connect this connector first, remove this, double click this, variable column, drag and drop, modify date. Now I am just need to convert to date from date time. So this is date format. Let's convert this. Click OK. From here to here. Now I am just selecting data viewer because I want to see the derived column converted the data properly or not. So let's run now. See here, this is the derived column. You can see data properly converted or not. See, this is our input data with our minute second. I have converted that to date. Okay, now do detach, let all the files completed. Uh, then close this and then stop debugging. I hope you know how right now to debug. And also one more feature is there in the data viewer. For example, you don't want to see all the data that's flow to the destination. Just want to show what is the derived column output. For that, you just click and then modify the data viewer. For example, I don't want to see this whole thing, but I just want only the derived column output. Then we can configure this way. And then right now, again done. To see only derived column data output, you could see. Okay, guys, I suppose now you can understand what is data viewer. Please let me know if you have any clarification. Thank you. Thank you for watching.